Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to Junk Journal January day 20. So let's grab our junk journals and get creative together. Today's prompt is tissue. I feel like now it's getting a bit harder to find a spread that is the right one to use for our prompts, that we only have like 1/3 of our books free to work in, and I decided on this music sheet note with the girl from the COS catalog. And I did take out some old tissues, napkins kind of things from Christmas that I had saved up to use in my junk journal, and decided to just expand on the girl's dress here with this checkered kind of tissue. So here I'm just ripping out some of the tissue to the right size, and then I'm trying to make like a little pleated skirt. I hope it makes sense. Anyway, that was just the first thing that came to mind for this little prompt. I always love to include tissues and different kind of papers in my junk journals. I think you can do so many fun things with the different paper materials, and that's also something like this little dress kind of situation that I normally wouldn't do in my sketchbooks, so that they don't get too bulky. But for my junk journals it's completely fine, and I absolutely love how it turns out and it comes together. So I'm really happy again with how today's spread turned out, and to be honest, I'm really happy that I got back into the swing of things after getting a bit of a bummer yesterday. I don't know. I think I was just tired. I didn't know. Yeah. But now we're back and we're getting creative again. And here I'm just cutting out a little tiny bow to add on top of the dress at the neck as well, to kind of pull the tartan theme of the new dress design together in a way. How are you guys doing? How's your junk journal January going so far? Are you already had a slump day like me yesterday, or are you still going strong? I'm kind of happy to be back in the swing of things, but to be honest, I'm also kind of looking forward to using a normal, what you can't see as I'm recording this voiceover, I made a kind of bunny ears with my hands while saying normal, because it's kind of silly, like a blank sketchbook. So I'm kind of looking forward to diving back into one of those, and I'm currently thinking about trying again a 1-month sketchbook challenge. I did do that in May of 2022, and also did that for quite a while in 2016, and like in 2023 I did those mini sketchbooks for each month of the year. I definitely have to still edit that footage about this experience of filling up 12 sketchbooks in a year. It was quite insightful, and I really want to share that with you. But for now I'm just kind of thinking about what could be my next sketchbook or journal challenge after we completed the Junk Journal January challenge. So I did post a little teaser yesterday for something that I'm currently also working on, so I'm not quite sure if it's maybe too ambitious to also start a sketchbook challenge for February. I definitely won't be able to do daily videos in February, but let me know if you would be interested in seeing some more filling a sketchbook in a month kind of content from me, or if you would prefer some more in-depth kind of content. I feel like there's something about my sketchbook pages or my journal pages, if I do like those daily kind of challenges or a monthly challenge, then the kind of results in my sketchbooks get way more free and loosely, and it has kind of a freeing element to my art, and my creativity isn't so up in my head all the time. So I'm just creating with less pressure in a way, because I put the pressure of the time constraint on myself. I hope it makes sense. But I feel like when I know I have to fill up this complete sketchbook in 1 month, then I can't put too much pressure on the outcome of each individual page or each individual drawing. So that's why I really like to do those monthly challenges for sketchbooks and art things, to just get me to be creative and to not put too much pressure on myself to make everything perfect in my sketchbooks. So, what do you think about a monthly sketchbook challenge for February? Let me know in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear your feedback on that idea. And for now, I hope you enjoyed today's junk journal video, and I hope you created alongside with me. If you still have to do or want to do your journaling spread for today, then happy creating. And if you want to follow me for more creative adventures coming very, very soon, hit the subscribe button down below. Happy creating! Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below.